Oh, the breeze feels good.
That GPS nut saw that. He said, "I'm telling you, he'd be out there."
I said he would.
He got a big briar bite on the other side of his neck.
That's what that straight line's for, you know?
It really is.
It's so strange how this piles in there. I tell you what, when I looked back in there, I thought, boy, it would be something if there's a big rabbit coiled up in there.
Mm-hmm.
Fly very gently. Plastic boots done pretty good.
Hold on, I didn't bring them. You one GPS nut too.
Three GPS nuts.
Smile.
Gee.
Got that, folks? That's good enough.
We encountered this rig here on the road. They're logging down over the hill here.